Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today in this video we will be learning the multiplication tables from 1 to 20. Let's get started. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, 1 fives are 5, 1 six are 6, 1 sevens are 7, 1 eights are 8, 1 nines are 9, 1 tens are 10. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55, 11 sixes are 66, 11 sevens are 77, 11 eights are 88, 11 nines are 99, 11 tens are 110. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 5s are 60, 12 6s are 72, 12 7s are 84, 12 8s are 96, 12 9s are 108, 12 10s are 120. 13 1s are 13, 13 2s are 26, 13 3s are 39, 13 4s are 52, 13 5s are 65, 13 6s are 78, 13 7s are 91, 13 8s are 104, 13 9s are 117, 13 10s are 130. 14 1s are 14, 14 2s are 28, 14 3s are 42, 14 4s are 56, 14 5s are 70, 14 6s are 84, 14 7s are 98, 14 8s are 112, 14 9s are 126, 14 10s are 140. 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60, 15 5s are 75, 15 6s are 90, 15 7s are 105, 15 8s are 120, 15 9s are 135, 15 10s are 150. 16 1s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 16 3s are 48, 16 4s are 64, 16 5s are 80, 16 6s are 96, 16 7s are 112, 16 8s are 128, 16 9s are 144, 16 10s are 160. 17 1s are 17, 17 2s are 34, 17 3s are 51, 17 4s are 68, 17 5s are 85, 17 6s are 102, 17 7s are 119, 17 8s are 136, 17 9s are 153, 17 10s are 170. 18 1s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 18 3s are 54, 18 4s are 72, 18 5s are 90, 18 6s are 108, 18 7s are 126, 18 8s are 144, 18 9s are 162, 18 10s are 180. 19 1s are 19, 19 2s are 38, 19 3s are 57, 19 4s are 76, 19 5s are 95, 19 6s are 114, 19 7s are 133, 19 8s are 152, 19 9s are 171, 19 10s are 190. 20 1s are 20, 20 2s are 40, 20 3s are 60, 20 4s are 80, 20 5s are 100, 26 are 120, 27s are 140, 28s are 160, 29s are 180, 20 10s are 200. Thank you for joining us. I hope you had a great time. See you in the next video. Goodbye.